Back at you again. We had to take the wheel well out on the right side of the 66 Impala. We're starting to install the vintage air. We took it out so we can get to start doing the installation. We have this plate cover that's right here, which I'm gonna take it out. Okay, this is the beginning. You have a keeper. And you have a bolt. The keeper is the little silver part right there. And then you want to install it where you see the little white tag at. Then it just goes in. Put a bead of silicone. I haven't put the silicone yet, but I'm gonna put it. It's one side. One side. See what we got here. That's two sides. That's the start. For the vintage air, you're gonna have the AC lines running out here. We have to take this off. It's gonna run out through here. The heater hoses and the AC lines. Okay, now we got our unit. We already put our heater hose fittings. Now we're about to put our bracket for installation to the firewall plate. You can start taking those out. Now we're going to put our plate on. And put the bolts back. And just tighten them up.